after our weighbridge video, we've decided that it's time to say goodbye to the X-Trail. It's a good tow car while it lasted us. However, I believe we've actually outgrown it. We decided it's a little bit old, and yeah, in terms of moving all the stuff from outside the car into the car when towing, here's the nature of our problem. We've got this luxurious dog accommodation in the back seat. With the back seat occupied, there wasn't a lot of space to put anything else there. We'll be sad to see it go, but its replacement is going to be much nicer. As you can see behind me, this is our solution to our towing weight problem. Here's our new van. This van is capable of pulling 2 tons, as well as the internal capacity of 1 ton, which gives us plenty of space to put all our gear when we go caravanning. We'll quick hop inside. And there we go, lots and lots of space, lots of holes, hook points. So all of our chairs, water containers, tables, levelling accessories, all of that lot will fit in this van very nicely indeed. Here's our new van. So here we go to Highbridge Caravans to deal with a problem that we found with the caravan locking system. We're really enjoying driving the new van. It's got a lot more power and poke than the old car. The old car was getting a bit old. I mean, she was 13 years old, and that's knocking on quite a bit for a car. And you know, towing can be quite hard on a vehicle. We managed to pick this guy up from Vans 365 in South Bristol. It's a 2014 Renault Trafic, and the part that really attracted me to this van was that it's got just shy of 19,000 miles on the clock, and for such an aged van, that's an extremely low mileage. We're hoping that it's got a lot of life left in it.
Thanks for watching. We hope you liked what you saw.
Please like, subscribe and turn on notifications. Bye!
Bye.